Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can delete a video sticker from TikTok. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is opening our TikTok application on our phone. And if we want to delete a video sticker we have created on our TikTok, we can go to our profile, tap on this profile button, and the video sticker that you have created on your TikTok will appear right here. You can click on this sticker icon and select the video sticker you would like to delete from your TikTok profile. And for example, I'm going to delete this video sticker. So we just need to click on it. And here we have four options and click on delete since we want to delete the video sticker from our TikTok profile. Click on delete and you will get this question and you can click on delete. Okay, and now the video sticker has been removed from my TikTok profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete a video sticker from TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.